Okay, here we are at the Chicago Oracle User Group, Midwest Oracle User Group.
We made it.
What did you learn?
What did I learn? I learned more about property graphs, which I'm super excited about. Yeah.
I learned Larry is very big on multi-cloud, not just Google, not just Microsoft, but now he's going to Amazon by the end of the year.
Yeah, people are excited about that.
I mean, these 4 clouds are moving up.
Yeah. In fact, every time he says something like that, and I look around when people are listening, you can tell they're like, well, first they're surprised, and then they're like, oh, this is good. It's going to make my job easier.
Are they going to AI you out of here? I mean, they have Gen SQL, where it'll generate the SQL.
I love that
things
stuff.
Like Select AI.
I don't think people really know. I don't think DBAs realize it's just like a SQL enhancement. It's not like this. It's like.
Is it a Craig enhancement though? Are you becoming Craig times 5?
Well, I do know when I use AI for stuff though, it's more than times 10. So if it'll take me like a day to figure out, I can get that super fast.
And then there's Gen Dev, where now I can go into Apex and generate an entire application, or build all the tables,
I
build all the
actually believe
indexes.
that because that's happened.
No, they've showed you it.
Yeah, but you never know when it's a demo.
24.1.
Oh yeah.
24.1. And then you could go into Azure and literally build an autonomous database and then use the OCI and see it, just like you do in Oracle.
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Is that amazing? Anywhere in the world?
Yeah.
And how about sovereign clouds?
Yeah, anywhere in the world, sovereign cloud. Yeah, people love that stuff. I've talked to guys in Europe, and they're super excited about that.
And they're big on protecting their data.
Yeah,
we got to work on that here.
Yeah, they're even like less than
But I mean, Vodafone, we saw they moved 10,000 databases,
which is mind-boggling.
30% of them they were able to put on autonomous. Anything new they were able to put on autonomous database.
Yeah,
I mean, is Oracle going autonomous in Apex 100%?
No, because they have Visual Builder and they have some other.
I mean, they have added things, but
yeah. But I've never heard anybody.
They're putting all
I've never
Fusion
heard
apps on there by
anybody say a bad thing about autonomous. Over the last year. It's amazing. Yeah, I've heard people that are shocked how fast it is.
And I've heard Surfer Shane is a clone of Craig.
Yeah, it is.
I can get that on Oracle.
It's like super. What's that? Quantum
computing?
Yeah. No. What's that when they're like connected?
Transformers?
No. Superposition.
Oh, quantum entanglement.
Yeah, entanglement.
So the two particles are superimposed.
Yeah. No, so actually the same.
I mean, you do
the same thing is so exactly. It's so great because it's RAG underneath it, and because I actually develop it, I can keep adding new things to it. With it, like whenever I have time to do it, and so it's been great. I think we're just getting started with RAG. People think RAG, we got pieces of documents, we put them together, but you can make it like way better with the new stuff that's coming out.
And you're really doing Gen Dev.
Yeah.
Select AI. You're using natural language to build stuff. Now, if you know how to build it, isn't that a big advantage though? Instead of somebody off the street who doesn't know any Oracle.
Yeah.
So how good is a DBA? All I got to do is add a vector data type, and now I can look at.
Yeah, you can you can do other stuff.
Similarity
In fact,
searches.
Somebody was when Jim was talking about property graphs, and some guy said it wasn't here, but he was in his session. All of a sudden, he saw a guy go like, oh. He's like, what did I say? He said, no, I've been trying for 2 weeks to try and get PL SQL to do what I can do in one statement with the new property graph stuff.
And Jerry Ward did mobile things that Viscosity has on GitHub.
That was a great
mobile,
the Monica demo. The Monica demo rocked. Everybody was like, they were so into it.
Because Jerry had to get his expenses, and he took a picture, it automatically loaded it in.
The thing about that story, there's a lot of truth to his story.
I mean, Steve Miranda, I mean, he took a picture of a Japanese and it loaded into Oracle.
I know.
Changed it to English.
I never even thought about that.
Change it to English automatically and then you can approve it.
That was actually impressive.
And Monica's not going to approve your expenses. You know that unless you get that loaded.
You got me in English, man.
No, she can do it in Japanese now.
Whoa, she can't.
Just need to plug it.
Yeah.
One of Jerry's mobile app plugins.
Yeah, that was actually impressive, the language part.
It was.
In fact, Shane, you can ask it to actually respond in Arabic, and it does, including right to left. I've done it, and all you got to do is tell. I didn't even build it in. You don't need to toggle, go, speak my language.
For
right.
all the
It just
audience
does it.
members that would like that and be waiting on the edge of their seat for
Yeah.
Shane AI now
Yeah,
has
it
Sure,
does
you're jumping.
multilingual
Yeah.
language. Amazing.
So here we are on the shores of Lake Michigan. We're gonna go out
Gorgeous
sailing. We're
day.
gonna go out sailing. Fleur could win an America's Cup. You think we have a shot?
I don't know. Can you
I don't
scuba dive
think so.
out there? People do that.
Could you?
Is there anything to see?
Sure.
Yeah, it's a gorgeous.
Chicago.
Yeah.
All right. See you later from Chicago, from
Yeah.
Windy City.
All right,
Now we
next
gotta
year.
go grab some pizza or get Italian. What do you guys have?
Italian.
Italian.
Good
Hey,
wine, some Negronis.
There you go.